If you're running a business, you're working hard, and the only thing holding you back right now is access to capital, especially because of credit challenges, this video is for you. Stay with me because in a minute, I'll explain who this actually works best for and why going to the wrong lender is exactly what gets most business owners rejected. Let's start with reality. Traditional banks are extremely strict when it comes to business funding. Some estimates put small business approval rates as low as 15%, and it's usually not because your business is bad. It's because banks want near perfect credit, long operating history, clean financials, and as little risk as possible. So if you're a startup, rebuilding credit, self-employed, or your situation isn't perfect on paper, the bank route often leads nowhere. This is where alternative business funding comes in. Instead of forcing your business through one rigid lender, the smarter approach is working with a platform built specifically for real-world businesses. That's why I want to talk to you about ROK Financial. ROK Financial specializes in helping small and mid-sized businesses that struggle with traditional bank approvals, including startups, and in many cases, no minimum credit score for certain funding options. Here's what makes ROK Financial different. They don't push everyone into one loan. They take the time to understand your business, your cash flow, your goals, and your challenges. Then they match you with the right type of financing. They offer access to multiple funding options, including working capital, business line of credit, startup business funding, SBA related programs, and other business financing solutions. And if you're unsure of what kind of funding you need, that's part of what they help you figure out. This part is huge, especially if funding feels intimidating. When you apply through ROK Financial, you're assigned to a dedicated financial advisor. That means you're not guessing, you're not navigating this alone, and you don't need to speak finance language. Their job is to guide you through the process and help move your application forward, not shut it down. This is the part that most people don't realize. ROK Financial works with over 75 commercial lenders. That matters because being matched with the wrong lender is often the difference between getting approved or getting instantly declined. Their experience with unique underwriting cases, especially credit challenged businesses, is the real advantage here. Here are the highlights clearly and simply. Simple application, no minimum FICO score for certain products, larger loan amounts than many alternatives, same-day funding in some cases. They use technology to streamline the process, but they don't remove the human element. That balance is what keeps things fast and flexible. One more important point, ROK Financial is A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau at the time of the recording, and in the industry where not all funding companies operate the same way, that credibility matters. If your credit isn't perfect, your business is newer, or you've been told no before, working with a platform that understands flexibility can change everything. I've linked ROK Financial in the description so you can see what options might make sense for your business. As always, compare offers, ask questions, and make sure the funding fits your situation. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more straightforward breakdowns around business funding, access to capital, and financial tools that actually work.